Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Nano Banana. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply use Google Nano Banana on the web without installing any app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Chrome browser. I'm going to open my Chrome browser right here. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign here to open a new tab. Then go ahead and type in Google. Go ahead and type in AI Studio, studio.google.com, hit on search. That's going to take you right here. All you need to do right here, Google AI Studio. Now you are here. Google AI Studio. Welcome to Google AI Studio and Gemini app. And Gemini API empower developer to build with Gemini. So what you need to do here is to simply scroll down right here. As a developer, building with Google AI Studio and Gemini API for professional or businesses purpose, I consent to the terms and acknowledge the privacy policy link above. I would like to receive email for model update, offer, etc. Just make sure you tick on these two agreements right here. Go ahead and hit on continue. Now you are here in Google AI Studio. Here, you can chat with mode, you can find code, you can monitor usage, you can scroll down right here and read detail about everything about Google AI Art Studio. If you want to start a new chat with Google AI Studio, go ahead and click on new chat right here. Now you are here. Your conversation won't be saved. However, any file you upload will be saved to your Google Drive. So you can see a great backup here. Now, what are the things you can do in Google AI Studio? You can use Gemini here. You can use images. You can edit audio. You can also edit your video right here. So this is a new features which has to do with Nano Banana right here. You can also use Nano Banana right here. So you can also go ahead and scroll detail right there. So let's see how we can use Nano Banana. Select on Nano Banana, then you have it right here in the option, ready to chat with Nano Banana. So we can say, can you please create a beautiful image of crocodile? Then we send. Here we go. We have it right here. But here, we can as well ask this particular Nano Banana in Google AI Studio here that, can you please change the background to an ocean? And make the crocodile swim. Let's send. Wonderful. So you have it right here. So we can further and say, can you please put a live fish in the mouth of the crocodile? Let's see. Let's send. So here we go. You can see it right here. You can go on and ask for anything from this particular mode right here. However, you will be given a token based on the time you are chatting. So I have 3,000 plus token right here. So if you want to download your image, simply click on the image and it's going to open up like so. Then you can go ahead and download. So you can see the image right here. And then you can simply click. And for you to download, simply click and hold down. Then go ahead and click on download image. Then you have the image, then you can open it. Then you have the image in your phone gallery, just like what you see right here. So you can see it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.